The Dread Saurian is the largest, most powerful and feared predator within the continent of Lustria. They are few in number and sacred to the race of the Lizardmen. Its roar has been said to echo through plazas of Lizardmen cities and to tremble to the jungles. It is a roar that all predatory reptiles both fear and respect.
Hey guys, I'm Joshua Vidovic from Vidovic Arts, and today we have a monster of a model to be working on, the Dread Saurian. As you can see right here, he's absolutely massive. Now, this model has taken around about 2 days to print, so yeah, it's a big one. It's a huge, huge one. And as you can see, I haven't painted him yet, so we're going to get around to doing that right now. The base itself is too big to print, so we're gonna have to do something a little custom for that. Anyways, let's get into painting this big boy. So he's all nice and matte black, he's ready to be painted up. But he's still missing that base. Now I'm not going to go print one up. I've actually gone and gotten this little foam sheet here. It's got paper on both sides with a little bit of foam. Now, this is used for like mounting artwork. That's the only time I've ever seen it be used for anything other than wargaming. So yeah, I've got this. Basically, gonna put him on and see where exactly I want the base to start and end, and trace it out and cut it up. So let's get that done so we don't have to worry about it later on. Alright, so that's done. It's painted black, it's been cut out, and I use spray paint. This is foam on the edges. Don't use spray paint because it'll melt the edges. Anyway, I'm going to put this aside and let it dry, and we can start painting this big guy. So let's get into it. So he's painted up and he's looking goddamn gorgeous if I say so myself. So what's missing? A base. Now for the base I'm going to be using just like toy terrain kind of stuff. It's this stuff right here. I pulled it off a whole bunch of really cheap toys and they're just like little ferns and stuff. So what I'll do with the base is I'll put a faux dirt over the top, let that dry, and then I'll start putting some ferns and some foliage all over it, and then I can stick him to the base and we'll be done and he'll be awesome. So let's get into that, shall we? So, he's completely done. Here he is. Is he not gorgeous or what? Now the base is a little soft, just because it's paper, but as long as you don't use him too roughly, you'll be fine. From printing this, the 2-day print, this took about, a good day's work, maybe about 5 hours to complete in total. And yeah, it was really awesome to work. It's a really awesome project. I can't wait to see him on like a tabletop with other Lizardmen units, because it's just going to be awesome. I'm considering possibly making a top for this guy, so he has the spot for all the skinks to sit on. That's possible future project. We'll see if I want to get into it, but I cannot get over how amazing this looks. I'm really happy with it, and the lighting right now is making it look even better, so that's a plus. Yeah, if you want to support my videos like this, head over to Patreon and you can pledge a couple dollars per month. Now you don't have to, but it helps me out heaps, and there's projects just like this. And yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome. See you guys.